Hey everyone, I'm going to show you guys how I did that shot without using a slow motion camera. Again, not a paid sponsor video for Dr. Squatch. This was just for fun and entertainment. Also, a big shout out though to Dr. Squatch for sharing that video on Instagram. Don't forget to check out Dr. Squatch's website and all their products. Love all their soap and deodorant and shampoo and conditioner. I use it daily. So for those who are wondering, I did shoot this in 24 frames per second, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that. If you're ready to find out more, hit that like and subscribe button, and then we'll get started. First, I set up all the products on the floor, laying them down. Then I point the camera facing down, I take a video, I start with it out of focus, and then I adjust till it's in focus. And then I stop the camera. Next, I set up a blue screen, and then I steal my kid's blue marker just for this. Next, I set the blue cap on the rotating product display, and then I set it down to the lowest speed. Now I turn up the shutter speed a little bit just to make sure that there's no motion blur. I filmed the product display going around 1.5 times just to give myself plenty of room to work. After our 2 shots that we did, we're going to go into Premiere. We're going to add the clip with all the products laying down. And then on top of that, we are going to include the clip with the blue screen and our product rotating. Now we're going to add a crop to the clip, taking out most of the blue screen and the stuff that we don't need. Do a little color correction to make it easier to key out the blue. And then before we put this clip into After Effects, and after our crop, we are going to speed this up by 300%. That sounds like a lot, but it's going to add a little bit more to it. And then we're going to put it into After Effects. Now we key out the blue screen and the blue marker, and then we add a little mask to the marker just to cut that out, and then any other additional amounts that you may need. Okay, and now we're going to scale and rotate our clip. Make sure you add in your keyframes, go to the end of the clip, scale it back down, and go ahead and rotate it some more, and keyframe. Now we're going to add a blur effect to our product clip. We're going to start at the beginning of the clip. We're going to add in 10% of blur, and then we're going to move forward a little bit and keyframe in 0%. Alright, and then add some music, and I get my music from Artlist. From this website right here. There will be a link in the description. And then last, we nest the 2 clips together to add in a fade in and a fade out, and done. Okay, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you at the next video.